let's ignore my hair. Okay, it's a mess. I know it's a mess, but we're leaving it. Anyway, I thought this was a good time to start this video because I just got a package. It says Oh Polly, but it's actually Bow and Tea. It is a gym set and I'm really excited. I really hope it fits me. So as you saw from the title, this video is like starting my health journey. And the main focus for this video is starting fitness back up again. I feel like during the end of last year, it kind of went down the toilet, down the drains. I stopped going to the gym, especially around Christmas and that. I was like, no, I can't be bothered for that. But I feel like it would be really good for me if I did start going to the gym, and if I didn't go to the gym and go for walks and do home workouts and stuff like that instead. This health journey is all about setting myself routines again, getting back into things and just genuinely being happier and healthier. So hopefully I can give you some motivation. Anyway, yeah, so this is Bow and Tea. I only got one set. I found so many sets I loved, but I was like, I literally have no room in my drawer for these. Anyway. Okay, I have 4 things here. I remember ordering 1. I'm so excited. Oh, it already feels really nice. It looks a bit strange, but once it's on, it's pretty. It is, oh, it feels really soft. It feels really stretchy as well. We love that. Okay, I've just checked my emails. I ordered it twice on accident, so let me just put one of these back. I got these shorts as well. They do like cycling shorts and then like mini shorts, you know. So these are the mini shorts, and then the cycling shorts are like in a weird length for me, so that, you know. Anyway, let's put this on. So here's the set on. It fits. I got a size 8 for reference. It is so stretchy and comfortable, and it's really pretty as well. I love like designs like this. It's different, and I don't feel like I see this very often personally. So, but yeah, I was gonna go to the gym today, and I was meant to go yesterday and the day before, but I kept pushing it back and back. Didn't want to do it, so I never went, and I still don't want to go now. So I've decided I'm going to do a little home workout, because I feel like if you can't be bothered to go to the gym, at least do something, even if it's a short one. So I'm trying my best, and I'm going to do it at home right now. Good morning, it's a new day. I am going to attempt to go to the gym today. Even if I go and I don't do that much, I've still gone. I feel like every morning I've woke up and said, yeah, I'm going to the gym, and then 10 minutes later I'm like, nah, I can't be bothered. And I feel like if I just wake up and I just get up and get ready for the gym and just go, like first thing in the morning, that's when I feel most productive, because I haven't given it much thought and I've just gone and done it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get ready, I'm going to eat, and I'm going to go to the gym. Today, I'm going to wear, oh, I don't know. I don't want to wear black, but I also don't want to stand out too much. Where is Bow and Tea? And then the bottoms look like this on the inside out, but this is what this one looks like on. I've got like an anxiety about the gym. I feel like once I've gone, I'm absolutely fine. But if I take like a big break from the gym, oh my god, what is going on with my hair? If I take a long break from the gym, I don't go for a while, it like, my anxiety around it kicks in. And once you're there, it's literally fine. But just thinking about it, it's not a great thing. And what I do in the gym, it make me feel like I've done a really good workout. I like tell myself I'm not allowed to leave the gym until this is half empty, like I've drank that much, or if I take a smaller water bottle, that I need to finish that before I leave the gym. I feel like that personally just helps me to push myself harder, or it just forces me to drink more water, which I need to do anyway. So I'm gonna go fill this up and go. I'm back from my workout. Wow, I'm dead. Hi G. It's another day, another workout. That's the energy we need. It's kind of annoying because this set is actually like a set together, but they're different because I've washed these and the colours come out of them. So that's really annoying. But it's a cute set. We love it. It's something different. I have so much energy right now, but I feel like the more tired I am, the more energy and hyperness that comes out. It's really strange, but I work differently apparently. But yeah, so I'm actually really knackered and I really don't want to leave the house. So if you don't want to leave the house, that's absolutely fine. We can do it at home. No excuses, we're doing it at home. Put something cute on that makes you feel good about yourself, and let's get to it. And another tip I could give you for working at home is to focus on one place on your body that you feel like you need to work on the most, because I feel like if you aim to work out absolutely everything, it can overwhelm you a little bit and then you don't really want to do it and you don't put your all into it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I feel like I want to work on my stomach the most right now. So that's what I'm going to work on today. Also, if you don't know what to do and you don't really know how to do different workouts, follow a YouTube videos. I've realised that helps a lot when you're kind of like lost, you don't really know what to do. Get it up on YouTube. Make sure you're stretching as well, that is very important. That'll do for now. You did something, at least do something, and then you have something to be proud of yourself for. Also, the positive thing about home workouts, like if you're home all day, you can space it out. You can do a little bit in the morning, a little bit in the afternoon, and then you can even do it when you're in bed. You have no excuse. Like when you're in bed, you can do like simple leg exercises and things like that. Or you could, if you have weights at home, you could have little weights and do little arm exercises when you're in bed. And that's a good tip. If you're not feeling very motivated when you wake up, you can do it first thing in the morning in bed or the last thing at night. Right, I need a shower. I'm going to drink my smoothie. It's mango, strawberries and banana. Doesn't taste that great today, but we move. And then I'm going to take the dogs for a walk. I feel like taking your dogs for a walk or just going for a walk in general is a really good thing to do when you don't really want to work out, you don't really want to go to the gym or anything like that, but it's still exercise, you're still getting out there, and it's really good for your mental health as well. You're getting fresh air. So overall, it's just a really good thing to do. And then you can still feel accomplished as well because you've still done something, even if it isn't working out.